We are going to make a basic emulsified vinaigrette. Emulsified means so you're not getting separate oil and separate vinegar. You're getting a homogeneous mixture of oil and vinegar, fully emulsified, that will not break. You can take your broken vinaigrette and make an emulsified vinaigrette out of that. The only difference really is that you're adding an agent to keep them fully suspended together. First, I need to anchor my bowl. There are a few different things that are natural emulsifiers. Dijon mustard is probably the most popular and one of the most effective. You have to start with the emulsifier and then add your liquid. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt, pepper, about a quarter teaspoon garlic, a quarter cup of sherry vinegar. Got my whisk. I'm gonna make sure that the Dijon is fully dissolved into the liquid. For this, I'm using regular olive oil. Straight extra virgin olive oil can get really bitter. The more fat that you add into an emulsified vinaigrette will make it thicker. So you wanna start getting the motion and then slowly start to add your oil. If you go too fast, it's just gonna stick together. So keep whisking for a few seconds after you finish adding the oil, just to make sure that everything is thoroughly combined. That is thick enough. And if it separates, just use a blender and pour it slowly in with another teaspoon of Dijon mustard in the bottom.